shouldn't have happened. They should have been more careful with their dogs.
When I'd come out of my house, I heard all the screaming, and I was aware that something bad had happened.
You know, you're talking about a 9-year-old girl who was just out there playing, and now she's not here.
This is her neighborhood. She should be able to be free and do what every kid does. Walk around, ride their bikes. They shouldn't be afraid to be in their own neighborhood. And this is just, it's very devastating, very, very hurtful for this family.